Guys, this indicator is one of the best I've ever traded on.
Hello guys, we keep analyzing indicators and today we'll record a video about RSI indicator. I'll show you how you can make your deposit more than 5 times bigger with this indicator. So I hope this video will be interesting for you because there's going to be a lot of essential information, and if you try it in practice, you can start making money together with me. So we're on Pocket Option platform, the link is in the pinned comment below the video. Today we'll try trading on stocks. Yes, those pairs are provided by brokers, they have OTC mark, but we'll still use them. Let's bring something extra to this video. We'll make it even more interesting. And now we're back to RSI. To add it, we click the left upper panel indicators. Okay, here we find RSI, click it once and let's manage it so it's more clear and convenient. We have period 14, we leave it as it is, then we make the main line thicker. The upper one is thick too, the lower as well. Okay, and we remove the middle line. Yes, that's it, click save. Now we have the upper line 70%, the lower one 30%, and the green main line. What does it mean? Let's figure out. First of all, RSI indicator is an indicator which shows overbought and oversold states of market. When we're growing, for example, for a very long time, the market is overbought. An indicator is on 70% mark, close to it. So let's find any pair with overbought market. Okay, for example, this one. Recently, it was an overbought market. We see that indicator was in 77% mark. It's an overbought state. We see there was some continuous growth. The market overheated. It clearly needed a correction. So when the market entered its overbought state, this correction started. The first one, and now we're observing the second wave of decrease. When the market is vice versa oversold, like in this case, it means we have a long downtrend, which is going to be finished soon and change to uptrend. So the balance is restored on the market. This is how it works. When the market is oversold, it means that we should trade with higher, or at least we don't trade with lower when the market is oversold. And we do not trade with higher when the market is overbought. Okay guys, let's move to practice. We open the first deal here. As I've already said, RSI is next to the upper level. The market is oversold and needs a correction. We open the first deal with lower, but we do it for a reason. This indicator is just a filter for our deals. So here we see a resistance level. See the last minimum that we reached the mark on this level. And we see we reached this level once again, so why not to get a reaction from it? Even more, the market is overheated. So guys, it's great, we reached the resistance level, got a reaction from it, just one candle was supposed to be closed as red, so we move on. So guys, here I want to open a deal with higher on similar case. We see that here a reversal of market happened. Maybe it's some support level. So let's see, we reach this level once again and you see we're getting a great reaction from it. So why not open a deal with higher? Well guys, the market is totally oversold. If we check RSI, it's in 24% level, and of course we open a deal with higher only. So guys, unfortunately the first deal is closed at a loss because this candle was red. We hurried up a little with the deals. Let's open another one. I think a rollback is inevitable here. So we drew the green candle, which engulfed the whole previous growth, so we hope for further growth. So that's all great. Okay, we've got the full reverse from the support level. RSI indicator left oversold zone, so we consider this case worked out and look for the next deals. Okay guys, here it's a great opportunity to open a deal with lower, and let me remind you the expiration time, so the time of one deal is one minute. You can set 3 minutes, 5 minutes, but don't forget that the time of the candle must be the same as the time of the deal. It's really important, this is required for correct analysis. So the case here is simple. RSI is overbought, an engulfing pattern was formed here. The red candle, which is almost the same in size as the green one, yes, it's smaller, but anyway, it engulfed the green candle more than on 50% of its size. So it's rational to suppose this reaction is the start of correction or the start of downtrend. The next candle is formed as red, it means the closure happened lower than opening. Okay, we made a bet on that, so we earned. We go on. Okay guys, a very interesting case here too. Firstly, right here we see two candles with a very big shadow down. Here the particular level was formed, points of minimum. We see that RSI is an oversold zone. We also see we didn't update this minimum, which means we won't fall for sure. So taking all the factors into consideration, we open one deal with higher. Today we made a pretty big series of successful deals. Yes, we had one loss, but we covered it right away. Our balance grew really good already, so let's find the last several deals and we'll summarize. So guys, I don't get how we could miss such an awesome case. Look, here everything is pretty simple too. First of all, the support level is located perfectly here. The first reverse happened from this area, and we see the second reverse happens from this area too. If we take a look at history, we see this level is an essential one. It's all great. RSI is an oversold zone, it was a 20% zone, it's very little. Here we also formed a candle with a shadow pointing down. To sum up, a lot of patterns, a lot of factors signalizing the growth is supposed to happen, at least it must be continued. So guys, this is how trading on RSI indicator looks like. And if you want to start getting free trading signals on this indicator, then subscribe to my free Telegram channel following the link in the pinned comment. I'll be waiting for you right there. Bye bye, see you soon!